Friends, previously I have uploaded some videos like what is the importance of Gaya Dham, types of Pindadaan and about Pitrapaksha. So today I will discuss for those who are not able to come to Gaya to offer Pindadaan. So do they have any option to offer Pindadaan? Yes, they have option. That is what? Online Pindadaan. Someone may be uncomfortable with this word online Pindadaan. See, there are two things, principles and details. Principles should not be compromised, but details can be adjusted as per time, place and circumstances. Like principle is we should offer Pinda to our forefathers, and details is the process that can be adjusted as per time, place and circumstances. So if you can come, that is, we will welcome you, but if you cannot come, like you are staying far away and you are not able to come, or you are sick, you cannot come, so you can choose the option online Pindadaan, because there you will stay and here we will offer Pinda on your behalf. Of course, first you have to do your Sankalpa, that means vow to offer, then you will sit there and we will offer Pinda here. So this is an option you should choose and to offer Pinda. Like I'll share an incident, my life incident with you. In the year 1997, my father was about to leave his body. At the time he instructed me that my son, you should go to Gaya and offer Pinda to our forefathers. Then the second sentence he said, don't wait till your mother's departure. And third sentence was, because maybe you depart before your mother. So this is a fact. So we should not wait for a good time to come. Instantly we should offer Pinda to our forefathers. It's not like that you cannot offer another time if you will offer Pinda right now, because Pindadaan comes from Shraddh, that means out of affection. Out of affection you can offer many more times Pinda to your forefathers, but at least once you have to do. So you can choose online Pindadaan. Like our forefathers have done so many things for us, for our food, for our clothing, for our education, and they have given us a good environment, good culture. So we should help them to deliver from the hellish planets. So by offering Pinda, we are actually helping them to deliver from the hellish planet. That is called son, means putra. Putra means putrayate iti putra, one who delivers his ancestors from the hellish planet, which is called Pu. So this is a option. Don't think that this is something different things. Online Pindadaan means that is also an energy of Lord. Like Lord gives intelligence to someone who creates internet. Lord gives intelligence to someone who creates this type of video conference application. So this type of things, these are also Lord's energy, and we should utilize these energies, this Lord's energy to offer Pinda to our forefathers. So we are in a place. This is the bank of the Falgu river. This is you are saying this is Falgu river, and the opposite side that is Sitakund. Sitakund, where Sita Mata offered Pinda to Dasarath Maharaj, and where I am sitting behind is Vishnupad temple. This is the place where this Shraddha ceremony and this Pindadan process actually takes place. So you choose online Pindadan option, will facilitate you and will give a good service, very pleasant service, and please share these videos with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much for watching.